Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and protect your Gemini account from SIM swapping, full guide step by step clearly. To download your Gemini account, start by visiting the Gemini website. Log in with your credentials or create a new account if you don't have one. Navigate to the settings or account section on your dashboard. Look for the option to download your account information. Follow the prompts to initiate the download process. You may receive a confirmation email with a download link. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Once you receive the email, click the link to download your account data. Save the file to a secure location on your device. Next, let's focus on protecting your Gemini account from SIM swapping. Start by enabling two-factor authentication on your Gemini account. Use an authenticator app rather than SMS for added security. Check for recovery options in your account settings. Update your backup email to ensure it's secure and accessible. Contact your mobile carrier and request a PIN or password on your account. This will prevent unauthorized changes, such as SIM swaps. Regularly monitor your account for any suspicious activity. Inform your contacts to be cautious of phishing attempts. Use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts, including Gemini. Change your passwords regularly to maintain security. Consider using a password manager for better organization. Lastly, educate yourself about the latest security practices. Stay informed about potential threats to your accounts. Regularly check for updates from Gemini regarding security features. Adopting these measures will help protect your account from SIM swapping attempts. Now you are better equipped to safeguard your Gemini account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.